Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Economic profit looks tricky, but this one is fast if you focus on revenue minus cost per pair, then scale it to 100 pairs. Start with the economic profit idea. Profit equals total revenue minus total cost. Or more quickly here, price minus average total cost multiplied by the 100 pairs produced. Now plug in the given numbers carefully. The price is $20 and average total cost is $17. So profit per pair is $3. Last move, multiply that $3 profit on each pair by 100 pairs, and you get total economic profit of $300, which matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given numbers and check the steps before choosing.